When you hear about a stair railing, safety is likely one of the first things that comes to mind. However, it can serve more than just the purpose of preventing falls. The right choice can elevate your home's style. While you may have many options, they can often be expensive. Therefore, making and installing a stair railing yourself is a smart alternative. Check out these 10 amazing stair railing ideas that are DIY friendly, offering an impressive yet budget-friendly safety feature. For more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already. 10. Nautical stair railing. The nautical theme has consistently been a standout in interior design. To achieve this style, invest in paneling and paint it white, adding subtle trims if necessary. To enhance the nautical feel, consider DIYing your stairway. Have you ever imagined using nautical rope as a stair railing? Don't just visualize it, make it a reality. To create this look, install a cleat on each step and an eye hook above it. Thread the nautical rope from the cleat down to the hook, starting either from the bottom or the top. 9. Beachy style railing idea. Nautical ropes are incredibly versatile, serving as excellent accessories to enhance your home while providing functionality. The previous idea involved threading the rope from a cleat to an eye hook. This one is simpler and easier. Start by drilling 4 holes into each post. Next, thread the ropes through the initial holes and tie a knot, continuing to thread them all the way up. The ropes will function as horizontal banisters, preventing falls while infusing your space with coastal vibes, all at a fraction of the cost. 8. Rustic stair railing idea. The charm of a rustic look is timeless, always bringing warmth and classic appeal. To achieve this style, use natural materials like stone and wood. This 2-story cabin features a stunning stone wall paired with an exposed beamed ceiling. To complement this aesthetic, the homeowner chose a wooden stair railing that harmonizes beautifully with the beams. If this railing has caught your eye, consider making one for yourself. Start by sourcing sturdy branches. If they're freshly cut, allow them to dry completely for about 6 months. After drying, trim them as needed, then scrape off the bark using a paint scraper. Sand down the surfaces for smoothness and wipe away any dust with a dry towel. Finally, apply a clear, semi-gloss Minwax polyacrylic protective finish. Your branches are now ready to be assembled into a stair railing. 7. Affordable pipe stair railing idea. Have you ever considered building a stair railing from cleats, clamps, fittings, and pipes? If not, now is the time to explore this option. This railing consists of 2 sections. One extends from the base of the staircase to a post halfway up. To replicate this design, connect the 2 sections using a swivel flange fitting. Additionally, you'll find some pipes attached to the steps with a railing flange and 30-60 degrees single socket tees. The second section begins at the post and extends to the second floor, featuring a safety railing that enhances security. For this stair railing, a 90-degree elbow connects the staircase railing to the safety railing. For added support, you can attach it to the wall with wall-mounted handrail brackets. 6. Copper stair railing idea. Are you a fan of modern flair? Don't miss this copper stair railing idea. Copper is a popular material in mid-century modern homes, making it a perfect choice to accentuate your staircase. Tall copper poles rising from the floor to the ceiling create an elegant handrail and serve as a room divider. This unique design guarantees safety for all users, relieving concerns about children falling down the stairs. 5. A modern stair railing idea. Are you tired of looking at the same stair railing? If you've had it for decades, it may be time for a change. Replacing your stair railing can significantly enhance your space. Begin by crafting a new post, embellishing it with a post cap and skirt. Paint it a crisp white for a modern aesthetic. Next, pre-drill holes using a 3/4-inch spade bit. Cut conduit steel to the appropriate length and insert them into the holes in the post. Use liquid construction adhesive to secure them in place. 4. Wooden stair railing idea. Wooden stair railings are a perennial favorite among homeowners due to their incredible versatility and compatibility with various interior designs, from rustic to modern styles. Begin by creating the newel post and enhance its visual appeal by adding decorative trims if desired. Next, cut the bolsters to the proper length and angle them carefully for a secure fit. For installation, cut a hole through the floor of the newel post and attach a sturdy piece of oak on top of the wall using construction adhesive and deck screws. Finally, proceed to install the railing and bolsters to achieve a cohesive and polished finish. 3. Brick-like stair railing idea. This stair railing beautifully combines safety with aesthetic appeal, offering a stylish alternative to conventional designs. Instead of the traditional newel post and oak piece running up from it, consider stacking dowels for a modern twist. This sleek design complements both the ceiling and herringbone flooring remarkably well. To achieve this stunning look, gather some dowels or wood strips and arrange them meticulously. For added stability and durability, use construction adhesive and screws, ensuring that your railing is both attractive and robust. 2. A minimalist stair railing idea. A stair railing doesn't need to be complicated with bolsters and newel posts. It can be as straightforward as installing sleek dowels that extend from the floor to the ceiling. This innovative design deviates from traditional railings and resembles a room divider instead. By positioning the dowels close to the steps, safety concerns are effectively minimized. Furthermore, this minimalist approach not only ensures functionality, but also enhances your modern home's aesthetic, creating a stylish and airy feel that seamlessly integrates into your living space. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, 1. Fishnet stair railing idea. If you're not an experienced carpenter, this idea is perfect for you. It's incredibly simple. Just tack a fishnet to the post, ceiling, and floor. That's all there is to it. This easy approach provides a clever solution for your safety needs without breaking the bank. You now know that adding style to your home doesn't have to be expensive. We confidently present these 10 fantastic stair railing designs and DIYs as affordable options that seamlessly incorporate stunning visuals while prioritizing safety. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with Beak beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.